Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm thecubinggeek, and today it's not just going to be a solve, it's gonna be a huge solve. I'll be showing you guys all of my 3x3 Rubik's Cubes if you haven't yet seen it in my collection video, and we're going to see in how much time can I solve 6 3x3 Rubik's Cubes. So without further ado, let's get started. Three, 2, 1, start. quickly give you a walkthrough of all of them. If you haven't checked out my cube collection video, the description is down below. And if you haven't seen my 3x3 tutorial, please watch it. Please watch that video, guys. Please, if you really want to join the 5.8% of people on planet Earth, please watch that video. Anyway, so this is my Rubik's brand cube. I didn't expect it to turn that fast. This is my first ever Rubik's cube, non-branded. This is my main 3x3 CLW from GE. A different unbranded cube, but similar to a Rubik's brand cube. Second ever 3x3 I ever got. This is my periodic table cube. I already gave out tutorials and a solve about it. And then here's my D-fabrics. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you haven't, please click the subscribe button now. We're trying to reach 40,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So help us get to that, and follow for more tutorials, solves, vlogs, and any lesson video. I can give out lesson videos if you want. So for now, please subscribe, click the notification bell if you want more and more updates about my videos, and please share my channel to all of your family and friends. For now, bye, and follow for more videos.